Okay, because we're learning about the amazing life cycle of a butterfly, we have this new book, The Amazing Life Cycle of Butterflies. It's written by Kay Barnum and illustrated by Maddie Frost. Hope you remember what the author does and what the illustrator does. Let's read this one. The Amazing Life Cycle of Butterflies. It's our title page, The Amazing Life Cycle of Butterflies, written by Kay Barnum, illustrated by Maddie Frost. In the warmer months of spring and summer, butterflies flutter about. These beautiful insects carry pollen from flower to flower, just like bees. But did you know this is just one stage of a butterfly's incredible life cycle? A butterfly begins its life as a tiny egg. Some eggs are round, some are oval, and some have ridges. But the female, or the girl, butterfly sticks her eggs onto leaves or stems, very close together. This plant will soon become food. Inside the butterfly eggs, new life is growing, but these creatures are not yet butterflies. After a few days, the eggs hatch and butterfly larvae appear. Butterfly larvae are also known as pupa or caterpillars. At first, they look like small, wiggly worms. That's what we have in our cup. A caterpillar's job is to eat. Most caterpillars eat plants, but others eat insect. They eat so much that soon their skin becomes too tight. It splits, and underneath, a new bigger skin. As the caterpillar grows, this happens again and again. Caterpillars have many enemies. They are gobbled up by birds, wasps, and ladybugs. In some countries, people eat them too. Caterpillars use bristles or spikes and smells and poison to frighten away enemies. Sometimes they disguise themselves with eye spots and patterns. This caterpillar is pretending to be a snake. When a caterpillar has finished growing, it hangs upside down from a leaf or a branch. Very slowly, a shell forms around it. The shell is called a chrysalis. Like a caterpillar, the chrysalis is patterned. This makes it difficult for enemies to spot. Inside the chrysalis, something amazing happens. The caterpillar dissolves into a soupy mixture. Then eyes, legs, wings, antennae, and other body parts begin to form. After a week or two, the caterpillar will have changed into a brand new butterfly. At last, the adult butterfly pushes its way out of the chrysalis. This splits open and a butterfly appears. It is a tight fit inside the chrysalis, so the butterfly must first unfold its soft wings, which will take a few hours to harden. Then it flies for the very first time. A butterfly has 4 wings. They are covered with millions of tiny colored scales, which create different patterns. Some wing patterns allow butterflies to hide. Others have special markings that look like big eyes to scare away enemies, and bold, bright colors attract their girlfriends and boyfriends. A butterfly tastes with its feet, smells with its antenna, and its mouth is shaped like a long tube. The butterfly uses this to feed on nectar from flowers. Butterflies can only fly if they are warm. When they are too cold, they bask in the sun until their temperature rises. Some species of butterfly, like the monarch, live for only a few months, but most just live for 1 or 2 weeks. During their short lives, butterflies mate. When the female butterfly lays an egg, the life cycle starts all over again. And the cycle is like a big circle. It just goes around and around. Do you know that butterflies are in danger? Pesticides cause them harm, and there are fewer wildlife areas for them to visit. Soon, many species will become extinct. That means there aren't any more of them. You can help by planting flowers such as buddleia, verbena, and lavender in a sunny, sheltered spot. Then wait for the butterflies to appear. A butterfly's life cycle has 4 different stages. There is the egg, the caterpillar, the chrysalis, and an adult butterfly. During its life, the butterfly transforms completely. This amazing process is called metamorphosis. That's a big word. Things to do. There's some other things that we could do. Butterfly books to share. The end. That one was the amazing life cycle of butterflies. Hope you liked it.